Hi everyone, and welcome to Big Ideas, Growing Minds. We are so happy you are here. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world to us. Today's big idea comes from Daniel Goleman and his brilliant book, Emotional Intelligence. The book is an in-depth look at the importance of emotional understanding in our own lives and in those of our children. For many years, the IQ test was the only accepted way to measure a person's mental capabilities. And it was naturally assumed that those at the top of the IQ scale should always turn out to be more successful than those in the middle or at the bottom. Reality, however, painted another picture. Sometimes people of high IQ flounder, and regularly those of modest IQ excel. Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman helped enlighten the world as to why this is. In the book, he teaches us that it is equally vital for people to understand and handle their feelings and the feelings of others. We tend to think of emotions as something outside of the realm of rational science. But this couldn't be further from the truth, since feelings occur as a reaction in your brain, which causes chemical changes in your body and directly affects the way you behave. Emotions are like instincts and act as a way to help humans react to survive. When an emotion is triggered in the brain, the body responds accordingly to take the appropriate action. For example, when we experience fear, our bodies react by speeding up our heart rate to pump blood to our extremities in case we need to run. Emotions trigger knee-jerk reactions, which we will unquestionably follow unless our rational mind interferes and gives us a reason not to. Having emotions can sometimes be inconvenient and problematic, but you would find yourself in a world of trouble without them. Feelings are an intrinsic part of what makes us human. They guide us when making difficult decisions and help us when interacting with others. And luckily, we do have the capability to temper our emotions with rational thought. If we learn to understand and handle our feelings to harness the power of the positive and overcome the obstacles of the negative, then we have a better chance of success throughout life than a person with a higher IQ but lower emotional understanding. The trick is to learn to slow down and think before we react, or, in other words, to display emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence can be defined as a person's ability to manage their emotional impulses with rational thinking. It is something we begin learning and practicing already from infancy. According to Goleman, it can be defined within 5 domains: emotional self-awareness, meaning to know and recognize your own emotions, and equally importantly, how your emotional responses can affect those around you. Emotional self-regulation, which is all about staying in control by managing your emotions when they appear. Self-motivation, which relates to passion, inner needs, and goals. Empathy, which translates into awareness of the emotions of others. And finally, social skills, i.e., the ability to pick up on jokes, sarcasm, maintaining relationships, and finding common ground with others. Mature social skills define someone who has good communication skills, good time management, the ability to be a good leader, and resolve difficult situations using negotiation or persuasion. Emotional intelligence helps us stay motivated and determined. It makes us more likely to achieve goals, promotes confidence, motivation, physical wellness, and healthy relationships, and can help us get an overall happier outlook on life. What's not to love about that? And there you have it, our key takeaways from Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a like. Take care and see you soon.